This is me 3 weeks after the unboxing, and stay tuned, there's something funny going on. Oh man, how could I miss that? Alright, what is up guys? Welcome to Barrookie. Today we finally got the Freak Athlete ABX bench. And yes, I bought this one myself because I think it's a nice bench. So I pre-ordered this in November and now it's February and it finally arrived. So yeah, let's do some unboxing, some building, whatever we need to do to get this bench operational. And then we're going to have a separate video where I review this thing. So yeah, without further ado, let's open up these two boxes. Already, what's nice about these boxes is that even the strap is reinforced by tape, so this doesn't get loose, so the box can't just flail open. Let's see, this is box number 2. So this should be box number 1. Get it a little bit lower and boom, boom, tube. Boom. So let's cut her open. Hopefully I'm not cutting into any vinyl or anything. So I think there will be not too much assembly. Whoa. This is looking sick. Well protected, for sure. Nothing else in the box, so that's... I love it when they put mints into the package. Gonna save that for later. I see a little dent here, probably like some imperfection during manufacturing, but it will be hidden underneath the seat, so it's not a big of a deal. So yeah, let me just show you what we already have, and then let's open up box number 2 to see how we can complete this bench. Apparently they cut some costs here because they made the base out of wood. So what we see here is a little bit of a manufacturing defect, probably something that just like cut into the plate, but I think that is very minor. Normally we should be able to see the zero gap already move, like whoa, look at that. This is the zero gap mechanism at work before we install the padding. Also, if you look at the metal, it's not really black, it has some spacey touch to it. It has these white sparkles in it, which is pretty damn nice. Very aggressive, if you ask me. Mints for later. Let's dive into box number 2. I wanted to say that these are the feet, but I don't think these are the feet. So let's put this aside. Hopefully also a little manual, maybe. Here we have the feet. So it does come all pre-installed. Some nice rubber wheels. Okay, final things, hopefully a manual, but I see the padding. Oh yeah, this is in 3 parts, so that's why we have 3 paddings. I was already thinking, what is this? 3 pads? More mints. Yeah, that's about it, so no manual. So it's the other day and yeah, I looked up some things. Apparently the manual is not as complete as I wish it was. Why not make a video how to construct it with the 4 steps, and that way I can share that with Freak Athlete and they can use this. But in the meantime, we're still doing this unboxing video. So for me to build this, we're going to put a time lapse on how I make the video about me building this to get in this video, and then there will be a separate video on how to make this and how to put this together with the 4 steps, and we're going to keep that video short and sweet. Okay guys, this is 3 weeks after the fact of the unboxing and it's super funny. Watch the footage first. Did you see it? Well, turns out there is some sort of manual. There is a card with a QR code that you can scan. Now, it was still the wrong one, and we still did good by making our own. But you see how these things go? Man, I was so convinced there was nothing in here. Okay, so here you have it, the Freak Athlete ABX bench fully assembled. I don't like the bolts being like painted or anything because it makes your fingers all dirty. So this is all from the paint of the bolts, and yeah, it has that nice black aesthetic, but it makes your fingers dirty. So let's put this bench in bench mode and let's sit on it for the first time. Boom. All right, very nice looking. How does it feel? Ooh, nice and firm and grippy. And then the thing that I wanted to see the best. Oh yeah, how this just goes up. I love that. How does it feel? Nice and stable, a lot more stable than my bench that I have right now. This thing can also go up. Boom. Almost no movement. No leg in the way here for my feet. Yes, sir. And then, how does this perform? Boom. We can lay on top of that, do some flies. Can really like... Yeah, pretty nice. So yeah, let's see in the review if this is going to replace my ATX Bulls bench, and yeah, I think it will. The only thing that I seem to be hesitant about is the padding. I hope this keeps up, because the padding on the ATX Bulls bench feels a lot more premium, but this one feels a lot more grippy, so I like that. I just hope that it will withstand the test of time. It's up to Freak Athletes to prove us wrong. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this unboxing and build video. There also is a separate build video, a guide, the ultimate guide on how to set up this bench. I bought this bench myself, so this is as unbiased review as it can get. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in that review. Peace!